you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenna. For those new, thank you guys for tuning in. In today's guys video, it's gonna be a little short, but it's gonna be on the new sponsor, guys, and it's Auxito. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see really fast. So on this one, we have the aftermarket one and we have the stock one. We did one side already. We did the right side, just so you guys can see the difference. The difference and the you guys need to see it because it's crazy. Like it's actually sent me the light for the backup camera. You guys will see how crazy it is. It literally lights up everything. So for anybody that needs it, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install it and showing you guys actually the review and how it looks, the before and after, the stock and the aftermarket one. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're gonna be showing you guys the reverse. My dad just went in right now. We're doing it on his. There it is, guys. Now we got the yellow one. Got my dad over there. My dad just put it in reverse. We got the stock one and the aftermarket one. Now you guys probably think, well, it doesn't seem that much. We'll put it down right now.
A basin.
This is a 2017 Highlander. This is the stock light, and we got the aftermarket light. Well, let's see how it lives. You can see my brother all the way far and back. It's crazy how much the light changes from the stock. It's literally nothing to the aftermarket one, which is extremely bright. You guys can see all the way to the truck, all the way to the yellow cat over there. We're gonna put both of them. You can technically see the stock. This is the aftermarket one. If you go down a little bit, there you go. It's insane. This is what happens when you put pretty much like 20 plus LED strips in here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the installation of how we did this, and then we'll show you guys how the camera looks. Let's see if we can show right now how the camera looks. Look at my little brother right there. We're gonna turn off that video right here. It's different so far. Let me click this. So far it's different on the left side versus the right side. You can actually see the light there. But we're gonna be doing the installation really fast. It's not that complicated. It's actually really simple. So let's get going. All right, guys. So on the 2017 Highlander, to reach the tail lights, you gotta open up obviously the back part, and there's this little round part here that actually is. You can see that it's actually the same way with the tail lights. So it's just right here. There's a little space on this part here. You guys can see where the flat screwdriver goes in. You go in there, pop it open. The right side's gonna pop open first. You go a little bit to your left, and then it's gonna open the next click. Don't jank it, anything, just nice and smooth. It's supposed to come out nice and smooth. We took out one part, is there you go, nice and easy, nothing broken. If it breaks, go to Toyota, guys. You might find it in Toyota. All right, so right here it's gonna be this cable over here. So it's a little click right here that you have to pull out. You have to press down here and just pull it out. So we're gonna be doing that right now. All right, so we're gonna do this really fast. Press right down here. Take this. I don't know if the camera can see me. It's nice and easy. Careful with the cables. Don't pull that hard. You gotta press right here. Keep that on mind. All right, guys. I gotta go. Keep that on mind. Press this little part right here, which is nice and easy. Careful with the cables. That's the main thing. Once you have this out, to take this part out is counterclockwise, so it's nice and easy. You don't have to do too much strength. So okay, my brother on this side. So it's this one over here. Obviously the connection, this one is when you go in reverse, the lights automatically turn on. So this is why you need this cable. Without this cable, the light will not turn on, will not work with the reverse. So counterclockwise, nice and easy, nice and smooth, and then just boop. Oh, we get some difficulties here. There you go, it's coming out. Do not pull it too hard because you don't want to break the stock bulb, guys. It'll be a mess in there. Pull that one out, nice and easy. Woo. Once you have it out, the aftermarket one, you can see the comparison is crazy. Look how many LED ones. This is literally pretty much a halogen one, and this one has 6 in there plus the side ones. I don't know how many it is, 30, 40, but it has no size to it. You just put it anywhere until it pretty much clicks in. You feel it, max it out. Once you put it back on, keep in mind and remember where your for the click was. So put it in, it'll fit perfectly, and then turn it clockwise. Now take it off counterclockwise, put it back in counterclockwise. There we go, nice and smooth. Put this back in. You should hear a click. You should hear a little click. Click there. Now to put it back in, start from the bottom to the top. So this, if you see the bottom ones, it pretty much goes inward. So there's the two holes there. Goes inward there. And then just do side, pretty much one side at a time. So first the left, then the right, left, right, and then the top one, the top ones. Once it's nice and in, the installation has been complete. Now we're gonna have my dad put in reverse and see how it looks with the aftermarket Auxito LED lights.
I did that for like almost 4 years, dude.
I got my dad and my brother helping us out. Hold on, Dad, hold on. Hold on until it goes down. There, go for it, reverse. Holy sh! How do you like it, bro? More brighter?
Pretty good.
Yeah, damn! You can see him all the way over there. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm about 10 feet away and you can still see me just with the backup lights. If I go down a little bit, so I'm like about 15 feet away and you can still see me. You can still see right here, you can still see me a little bit, but I'm about 20 feet away and you can still see me just with the backup lights. It's insane, it's crazy. Obviously it's for safety, so you know, when you have a big truck like this one, you need some nice backup lights, LED, just to maintain that the energy source. But look at this over here. It looks good, guys. It looks, I wish that camera was a little bit more upward, but you can see everything all the way to the truck where I was just standing over there. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I know the camera, this looks like a little more brighter, but in person it looks so good. It's amazing how little bolts like that can make a big difference. You can see everything all the way to the back. It's crazy. How much is it? About 20 feet away? You can still see me?
20, 30, 25.
That's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Look at that. We'll be doing a video on daytime. See tomorrow if we can do that. See if you guys can see a little bit, because I know now with nighttime it looks, you know, with all the little flashy. But being where the truck was, where you guys saw right now, you can still see me with the lights a little bit. But that's crazy. All right, fam. This is based on the 2017 Highlander. I believe 2014 to 2018 is similar. It's crazy, the lights. You can even see my brother right back there. Anywho's, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We'll see if we can do one in the daytime. But so far, you love it, Dad?
I like it.
You look good?
Good.
Better than the stock ones?
I can see.
You can see now. Toyota make lights like this, okay? It is freaking insane. It will blind your ass. Thank you Auxito for this. Thank you Via for this. Honestly, huge shout out to him. Damn, literally with the backup lights, you guys can still see me like daytime. Thank you guys so much. Big shout out to the sponsor. You guys will have the link down below for anybody that needs it, so stay tuned for that. You also can get a little discount as well, so I'll put the link down below for you guys to get this amazing lights for any car pretty much. All right, fam. Alright, fam, so we're gonna finish up the video by showing you guys the next modification that I'll be doing on the car. This is something that I've been wanting for so long. It's crazy because it's finally here. It's something that I've been craving, wanting, you know, needing for the last almost 3 years, and it's finally here, guys. So if you guys can take a guess, comment down below, because I'll be showing you this on the next video. But for now, big shout out, huge shout out to High Reps for the packaging, guys. I did not expect to be like this, honestly. I don't know how I'm gonna get it to the shop where when I need to the shop where I'm gonna get this installed, or I can just install it myself. I guess we'll see. Either I know how to do it right, or I just take. Right now it's Sunday. I might be uploading this tomorrow, Monday, guys. You guys will be seeing this video on Monday. But the thing is that it's gonna be raining. It's a 98% chance of rain on Tuesday, so either I move fast or I just take it to the shop and get this installed. But big shout out to High Reps, guys. I'm gonna try to open it and package it here outside because like this is huge. But crazy though how much packaging, guys. Like this is what you pay, you know. This is what you pay the shipping. You know, this is the proper shipping. Now let's see the product. Let's check it out. The product is not damaged. Hopefully it's not. I'm seeing a little hole here, over here as well. Does worry me a little bit. Yeah, one, I'm not gonna lie. Here too. I'm putting this on videos a little bit dented right here. Here's gonna see from this side, from this angle. Hopefully everything came perfect. So we're gonna try to open this right now. And yeah, I mean, stay tuned for the next video, guys, where I'll be unpackaging this and get it installed or taking it to get installed. I don't know how I'm gonna try transfer this. I have no idea. Deadass. Anyways, guys, like always, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy, other guys. And don't forget to check the link down below for the LED bulbs, fam. Use my code. You get, I believe, a 10% discount. So check it out. Check them out. Check it out. They have some crazy things. I'm also gonna be using. I'm actually gonna be contacting them to do some lights for my dad's Highlander on the front as well. So, anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys, to anybody that needs it, to any Highlander, Toyota Camry, Corolla. You know how we do things. See you later, guys.